Welcome to channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Imagine this. You pull out your phone not to check social media, but to probe the security of a network. This guide will show you how to transform your Android phone into a powerful hacking tool. We'll explore the world of Kali Linux, a special operating system for security testing. By the end, you'll have a portable hacking lab to learn and practice ethical hacking. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. We'll cover ethical considerations and how to use these tools safely. So, are you ready to unlock the hacker within? Let's dive in. What is Kali Linux? Kali Linux is the go-to operating system for cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts. Imagine a toolbox filled with every tool you could ever need to test the security of computer systems. That's Kali Linux. It's based on Linux, a powerful and flexible operating system. What makes Kali special? It comes preloaded with hundreds of tools specifically designed for penetration testing. That's a fancy way of saying ethical hacking. Kali is constantly updated with the latest tools and techniques, making it an invaluable resource for anyone serious about cybersecurity. But remember, these tools are powerful and should only be used ethically and legally. We'll delve into the importance of responsible hacking later on. Getting your phone ready. Before we begin installing Kali Linux, let's make sure your phone is ready for its transformation. First, you'll need an Android phone. iPhones are great, but for this project, we need the flexibility of Android. Next, check your phone's storage. Kali Linux and its tools need some space to breathe. Aim for at least 4 GB of free storage. A bit more is always better. Finally, make sure your phone has a decent internet connection. We'll be downloading some files, and a fast, reliable connection will make the process much smoother. With your phone prepped, you're just a few steps away from unleashing the power of Kali. Let's proceed to the installation. Installing Kali, no root needed. Now for the exciting part, installing Kali Linux on your phone. Don't worry, we won't be doing anything risky like rooting your device, which can void your warranty. We'll be using a clever method that keeps your phone safe. Our weapon of choice, an app called Linux Deploy. This handy tool lets you install and run a full Linux operating system like Kali right on your Android phone. It creates a safe environment for Kali to run without interfering with your phone's normal functions. Head over to the Google Play Store and download Linux Deploy. Once installed, we'll guide you through the setup process to get Kali up and running. Section 5. Your toolkit awaits essential hacking tools. In this section, we will dive into the essential tools that every aspiring hacker should have in their arsenal. These tools will not only help you understand the intricacies of cybersecurity, but also empower you to protect your own digital footprint. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Kali Linux on your phone. This powerful operating system is the foundation of your hacking toolkit. With Kali Linux, you have access to a wide array of tools designed for penetration testing and security research. Now let's explore the treasure trove of hacking tools at your disposal. Kali Linux comes pre-installed with hundreds of tools, each serving a unique purpose. From network scanning to vulnerability exploitation, the possibilities are endless. Open your Kali Linux terminal. This is where the magic happens. The terminal is your gateway to executing powerful commands and running various tools. It might seem daunting at first, but with practice, you'll become proficient in no time. Don't be intimidated by the lines of code. Think of it as your command center. First up, Nmap. This tool is essential for network discovery and security auditing. It allows you to map out networks, discover hosts, and identify services running on them. This tool is like a digital scout, mapping out networks and identifying connected devices. With Nmap, you can gain valuable insights into the structure and security of a network, making it easier to identify potential vulnerabilities. Want to see who's connected to your Wi-Fi? Nmap can tell you. Next, we have Metasploit, a powerful framework for exploiting vulnerabilities. Metasploit is widely used by security professionals to test the security of systems and applications. Think of it as a master key that can unlock insecure systems. With Metasploit, you can simulate real-world attacks to identify and fix security weaknesses before malicious hackers can exploit them. Remember, ethical hackers use Metasploit to find and fix weaknesses, not to cause harm. It's a tool for good, helping to make the digital world a safer place for everyone. These are just two examples of the hundreds of tools available in Kali Linux. Each tool has its own unique capabilities and applications, making Kali Linux a versatile and powerful platform for cybersecurity professionals. As you delve deeper, you'll discover even more powerful tools for network analysis, password cracking, and more. The key is to keep exploring and learning. The more you practice, the more proficient you'll become. As you continue your journey, remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Use these tools ethically and responsibly to contribute to a safer digital world. Happy hacking! Section 6. Time for action: practical hacking demonstrations. In this section, we will dive into the practical aspects of hacking, where you can apply the theoretical knowledge you've gained so far. Enough theory, let's put your newfound hacking skills to the test. This is where the real fun begins, as you get hands-on experience with various hacking tools and techniques. Remember, ethical hacking is all about responsible disclosure. It's crucial to report any vulnerabilities you find to the appropriate parties so they can be fixed. We'll be simulating real-world scenarios in a controlled environment to learn how to identify and fix vulnerabilities. This approach ensures that you can practice safely without causing any harm. Let's start with a simple network scan using Nmap. This powerful tool allows us to discover devices on a network and identify open ports and services. We'll scan a local network, with permission of course, to see what devices are connected and what services they are running. This is a fundamental step in understanding the layout of a network. This will give you a basic understanding of how hackers map out a target network. By knowing what devices are present and what services they offer, you can start to identify potential entry points. Next, we'll try a vulnerability scan using a tool like OpenVAS. This tool helps us find weaknesses in a system that could be exploited by malicious actors. This will help us identify potential weaknesses in a system that could be exploited by malicious actors. By understanding these vulnerabilities, we can take steps to secure the system. Remember, these demonstrations are just the tip of the iceberg. The field of cybersecurity is vast and constantly evolving, with new threats and techniques emerging all the time. With Kali Linux in your pocket, the possibilities for ethical hacking and cybersecurity learning are endless. This versatile toolset allows you to explore and experiment with a wide range of hacking techniques, all within a legal and ethical framework. Section 7. Troubleshooting your hacker phone. Even with the best technology, things can sometimes go wrong. It's important to stay calm and methodical when troubleshooting. Don't worry, we're here to help you troubleshoot common issues you might encounter while using your Kali Linux phone. Whether it's a minor glitch or a more complex problem, we've got you covered. One common issue is connectivity problems. These can be frustrating but are usually easy to fix with a few simple steps. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Check your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. If you're using a local network, double-check that your phone is on the same network as the target device. This is crucial for seamless connectivity. Another common problem is tool configuration. Incorrect settings can prevent tools from functioning as expected. Some tools in Kali Linux require specific settings to work properly. Always make sure to follow the recommended configuration guidelines. Always consult the tool's documentation or online resources if you're unsure about the correct configuration. There are plenty of forums and guides available to assist you. If all else fails, remember the golden rule of tech support. Have you tried turning it off and on again? This simple step can resolve many issues. Rebooting your phone or the Linux Deploy app can sometimes resolve seemingly complex issues. It's a quick and easy fix that often works wonders. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve most common issues with your hacker phone. Stay patient and persistent, and you'll be back to hacking in no time. Section 8. The ethical hacker: security and responsibility. With great power comes great responsibility. As an ethical hacker, you have a duty to use your knowledge for good. Always obtain explicit permission before testing the security of any system or network. Remember, unauthorized access to computer systems is illegal and unethical. Your goal should always be to improve security, not to cause harm or steal data. Document your findings responsibly and report any vulnerabilities you discover to the appropriate parties. By adhering to ethical hacking principles, you'll be contributing to a safer and more secure digital world. Section 9, Level Up, Advanced Techniques and Resources. Ready to take your hacking skills to the next level? There's a whole universe of advanced techniques and resources waiting for you. One path is to learn scripting. With languages like Python or Bash, you can automate tasks, create custom tools, and unleash the true power of Kali Linux. Another exciting area is digital forensics. Learn how to analyze digital evidence, recover deleted data, and investigate cybercrime. For further learning, explore online platforms like Cybery and Hack the Box. These platforms offer challenges, courses, and a supportive community to help you grow as an ethical hacker. Remember, the journey of an ethical hacker is one of continuous learning and exploration. Embrace the challenge and never stop learning.